This video will walk you through the process of pan testing and fine-tuning the spread pattern of your Salford BBI Spinner Spreader. Pan testing is crucial for achieving even spread patterns across a variety of fertilizer products. There are three main factors, aside from environmental conditions, that can affect your spread pattern: product particle size, product density, and changes to spinner or funnel components. You should perform a pan test when setting up a new spreader, switching products, or whenever spinner or funnel components are adjusted. Recording your adjustments for each product will help you switch between materials more efficiently in the future. To complete a pan test, you'll need a pan test kit. This kit is available as an option with the purchase of any Salford BBI Spinner Spreader. If you do not have a kit and would like to purchase one, contact your dealer. This kit includes 17 plastic pans, 17 test tubes, a test tube rack, a tape measure, a funnel, and a density scale. The number and spacing between the pans that you will use will depend on the application width of the spreader. Use the following chart to determine the pan setup for your given swath width. Your test area should be at least 250 feet long and wide enough for the swath being tested. Step 1. Lay out the pans according to the measurements in the previous chart and align them so you'll be driving into or with the wind. Note, it is not recommended to complete a pan test if wind exceeds 10 miles per hour. Step 2. Ensure the pans are level and nothing is blocking them from properly catching the product. Step 3. Ensure the unit begins spreading at least 100 feet before reaching the pans and continues spreading 150 feet beyond them. You may wish to measure and mark these points out so that the operator knows when to start and stop spreading. Step 4. Ensure that you have enough product in the hopper to complete the pan test process. To get an accurate spread pattern, you'll need to make 2 passes on each end of the pans. Now, with everything in place, line up with one of the end pans. Start spreading at least 100 feet before the pans and continue 150 feet beyond. Then repeat on the opposite end, coming from the same direction that you did on the first pass. This ensures that you test both the left and right-hand spinners. Collect the material from each pan into the corresponding test tube using the provided funnel. Your goal is a uniform spread pattern, meaning equal material in each test tube as shown. If the center test tubes are heavier, this means that too much product is being pushed to the outside of the pattern and needs to be brought in. If the outside test tubes are heavier, this means that not enough product is being pushed towards the outside of the pattern. To fix these patterns, make only one adjustment at a time before testing again. Start with the flow divider. This is most often the only adjustment required to achieve a uniform spread pattern. Moving the flow divider in brings more product in toward the center of the spread pattern. Moving the divider out pushes more product toward the outside of the pattern. Note, the flow divider does not change swath width, only distribution within the spread pattern. When making adjustments to the flow divider position, you can reference the gauge on the left side of the flow divider. A setting of 3.5 is a good starting point. Next, adjust the spinner fins. Straight is the factory default. Forward throws more material outward. Backward keeps material closer behind. Generally, the spinner fins will not need to be adjusted and should only be done if the adjustments to the flow divider position do not give you your desired results. The next possible adjustment is spinner speed, which is less predictable, so only use it when absolutely necessary. Increasing speed may push material outward, and decreasing speed may bring the spread pattern inwards. Results will vary depending on the product. The general starting points for spinner speed are displayed on screen based on an 80 and 60 foot swath width. If using a Magna Spread Plus, which features 120-foot wide swath technology, follow this adjustment order. 1. Flow divider. 2. Spinner speed. 3. Flow divider vanes. 4. Spinner fins. The flow divider vane adjustment is not featured on the 60 and 80-foot swath spreaders. If you need to make adjustments to this feature, refer to the operation manual for complete instructions. Repeat the pan testing process until a uniform pattern is achieved. If after attempting several adjustments you cannot achieve a uniform spread pattern, check for worn or damaged spinner fins, which may impact the pan test results. If you require further assistance with spread pattern optimization, contact your local Salford BBI dealer. Pan testing is essential for maximizing your spreader performance and ensuring accurate application. With proper setup and adjustments, you'll achieve accurate application with a variety of different products.